I have some exhausting news for you today around the 6th generation Camaro. Let's get to it. Okay, that was a terrible intro, but there's some new news coming out, guys. GM Performance has updated their Q2 release, and it involves some new Camaro parts. And this is something that they've kind of talked about for a couple years, but never really released it. And it's one thing that you guys may have noticed, that there's not many companies that have offered this, and that's carbon fiber exhaust tips or even black tips. Now, black exhaust tips have been around, quite a few companies offer them, but carbon fiber Borla exhaust has been one of the only companies to offer something like that. It looks like in Q2, GM Performance is gonna release full carbon exhaust tips for the 6th gen Camaro. Now, will you be able to add it to your existing Camaro? How will that work? We don't know those details yet. We don't know what they look like. Here's what the Borla exhaust, carbon fiber exhaust looks like, but as far as the GM Performance, we have no idea. So, but we do know in Q2 they're going to be releasing it, so it's going to be something new, something awesome. But I wanted to make this quick video for you guys to check out and let you know it's coming. So as soon as it's coming out, if you guys see a link before I post another update video, send it my way. I'd love to see what this stuff looks like. I'm hoping it's a direct swap or something as easy as cutting off your current exhaust tips. I don't know if it's supportive of MPP or dual mode exhaust for those of you out there, but we got another option for carbon fiber exhaust tips coming. So I think it's a really cool option. I have no idea how much it's going to be. If it's a GM Performance product, it's probably not going to be cheap, but it's another option to go that won't require you to buy a full, let's say, Borla exhaust setup if that's the route you want to go. So either or, it's available. It will be available Q2. Technically, are we in Q2? But yeah, we're in Q2, so it should be coming out anytime now. So either or, let me know what you guys think. Are you excited about carbon fiber exhaust tips? Do you even like carbon fiber exhaust tips? Are you excited about black exhaust tips? Either or, post down in the comments below. I still have my chrome ones. Yeah, I'm not gonna be switching out. So until next time, guys, hope to see you on the road.